the Idols called Village. Nice little song about a village. All I'm doing there is just playing the open E and then palm muting it afterwards, and then playing an E chord on the 7th and 9th frets. You don't have to play the whole thing, you could just play the E note itself. They got a lot of nice people in the village. Okay, and then those are obviously not the lyrics. Then there's a like a chorus. This I would consider the verse. Then they go to this chorus and they're like, I beg your pardon, I don't care about your rose garden. And that is E. You could just play it on the fourth, third, and second if you want. Or you could play power chords. But it sounds to me more like this. Playing it like and then I think they're going there's two guitars in the band, but musically I think they go to the G. Play power chords down here. I beg your pardon, rose garden. You could play it up here too if you wanted to go. I think that's what they may be doing, one of the guitars. So playing the A at the 14th fret. I beg your pardon. Then go to the 12th for the D. And again, we're using this A, just like you learned when you were a beginner, except we're just. I think the chorus is E to D, E to D, and then G to A, G to A, and then it goes back to the E. And then he does like a little solo. So let's talk about that. And what he's doing there is he's playing a little riff in E. And then when he climbs the and that's just open, open, 4 on the 6th fret. It's open, open, 4, and then on the A fret you go on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. And then what he does is he plays the 5 and 4 strings. Those are power chords. Like this one here at the 3rd fret. It's a F power chord. Kind of playing like that, just along probably the E major scale. live video. That's what I'm going off of. They just did it on KEXP, and yeah. You can play rhythm guitar like this for rock. You can do the same thing on the strings 4 and 3. This would be like where you would play it. Alright, so hopefully that'll get you far enough where you can play that. The important thing is just play with a lot of feeling. Alright, thanks, bye.